What's going on with the channel? Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. A couple of things I wanted to highlight is the fact that we're going strong. Daily videos are being posted. Sometimes it's a day in the life or providing information about questions that are received from prospective clients or even from clients. I also do series, a group of videos that together make up a series. So I did a series on aging gracefully, coping with the fears that the elderly may face. In the past, I've done a series on Medicare. I've done Medicaid posts. I've done Guardianship 101, estate planning basics, right? So I'm going to keep hitting series. I have a few ideas. I'm going to be doing one on Medicaid myths. I'm going to be doing one on an aspect of contesting a will. I'm going to be doing a different series on trusts, taking a newer, more innovative approach. I do have the thought in place. So those series, let me back up. The series is I can't get that right. The series of videos that I have in mind, I've written down, I'm sketching out the thought process for that. Something else that I was thinking about is having some more posts on really related content is a stretch, but content such as real estate, the gray divorce, right? My office handles quite a lot of divorce. We also handle evictions, sometimes related to the defense of a senior staying in a home. Sometimes it's pursuant to an unrelated guardianship action, whereby a landlord is trying to evict a tenant, and this is a person that is in need of a guardianship. Sometimes unrelated to a guardianship or estate planning practice. My associate does represent some landlords, and we actually prosecute evictions. So I'll hit some of those topics. So if I break up the week, I'll use the plan God intended, right? 7 days. I could hit a real estate topic, a guardianship topic, an estate planning topic, a Medicaid topic. Either one or more days hit the gray divorce, the eviction affecting perhaps an older person, then hit advanced directives, powers of attorney, healthcare proxy, living will, and round out my week. And then I could go on a cycle, right? So maybe several posts a month about these other topics, interspersed with client-driven questions. And that's where we go. I will tell you, I have a newsletter. I'm at about week 13 or 14, where I've consistently created a newsletter. Short, pithy content. This week's it's not a blog. This week's newsletter is on the adult child that's off to college and what documents you may need. So I always do a video under a minute. I do content, a video under a minute. I put in a couple of quotes. Sometimes, and that's typically what I've done for each week, the last 13, 14 weeks. A few of the other ones, a few of the 13 or 14, I added in a little extra content, maybe another topic, something that I was either working on, thinking about, and there you have it. If along the way you have a question, you'd like me to go over your circumstances, please reach out, frankbrunolaw.com.